To repair a car, you have to repair a Tesla. You can drive a Tesla and it's not cheap. Now this guy's Moz 3 battery is damaged. I have him towed here. Open the battery pack and test Tesla's telecommunication voltage. Normally it is 30 nV, but the telecommunication voltage of this string is 2.0 nV and this string is 2.2 nV. The voltage is abnormal. The connecting aluminum plate here has a short circuit and burnt place. Pry open the connecting aluminum plate and find a copper wire to pass through it as a sampling point for the series of voltages. Fly this copper wire from the back of the battery to the front of the battery and finally to the BMS acquisition subboard, and solder the copper wire directly to the sampling point on the BMS board. Use the reference point on the BMS board to measure the voltage of about 3.80 nV or 3.0 nV. It's okay. Put the repaired battery module back in. The special 3CAT3 battery pack has repaired the car and it can be driven normally, saving the car several W. A conscientious person like me has so much repair work, but some cars still have the heart to file a lawsuit against me, so that you can understand electric cars better.